Hello, it's a lovely day. It's really a good morning. So good morning to you also. It's been 3 days since I stopped vlogging. I lost my consistency. I only lasted for 10 days. 9 days to be precise because I didn't work out on my day 10. But with the vlogging, I stopped. I became inconsistent again. I'm sad because I didn't maintain it. I didn't choose to do it. I don't want to say that vlogging and working out became my hobbies because I only lasted for 10 days. But they were becoming my hobbies. They were becoming a part of me. But I stopped. Those hobbies were stopped. Those hobbies were seized. I got distracted by another thing again, which is photography. As I told you, I just bought a new camera again, a second-hand camera, and it kept me occupied. I don't make time for vlogging and working out anymore for just a new camera, vintage camera. I think I destroyed my momentum. I knew I said that momentum is created, not waited, but no, I wasn't able to create momentum again. I wasn't able to come back. I can't come back. My psyche is super occupied with negative talks, doubts. Makes me question if I really want this. Do I really want to be consistent? Do I really want to succeed? I always want to pursue a lot of things. For me to have choices, for me to have backups. But I always left the existing habits that I'm building. But I always stop my hobbies because of the pursuit of something new again. Why am I like this? Makes me think that nobody really is holding you back. Nobody really is putting you down. It's just yourself who puts you down, who doesn't believe in you, who is holding you back ever since. Because of your lack of focus, I wasn't able to get back really. This is a note to myself. If you really want this so badly, you're going to do your best to achieve it. Just like what you did when you want to buy these gadgets. You always find a way. You always make it. You always find a way to buy it. You always find a way to succumb to your impulses. You make way for your impulse buying. You make way to watch porn. Make way to scroll on YouTube. You always make a way. You always have excuses for your lack of discipline, for your lack of focus. You need to stop that because you won't succeed. You need to be consistent first of all, because even if failures are on the way, even if you fail at times, as long as you keep continuing what you're doing, what you're trying to pursue, I think you will succeed. You are only a failure if you stop. The real failure is when you stop becoming, when you stop aiming. Keep aiming at your desired destination. No one's going to help you except yourself. No one will bring you to being great. No one will make you a great person but yourself. So please help yourself. Your future self will thank you. So get up and try again.